Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I wasn't really gonna record this because I'm just changing the rear bumper of my car, but then I went online and I saw that there wasn't a lot of information on how to do this install. So I decided to record this just to help you guys out because it actually took me quite a while to find out how to actually do it the right way. So to catch you guys up, this is a 325i, as you may know from the videos I have on my channel, and it's the non-sport version. So it came with the normal rear bumper, and I saw this Mtech 1 rear bumper on eBay. It was off a 2003 330i sedan, and I decided why not. This is like one of my favorite rear bumpers for the E46 generation, so I pulled the trigger. There wasn't any information on how to actually do the install online, so this is why I'm doing it. This is the bumper that was on before. As you see, it's just stock bumper, and if you see over here, it has two holes on each side. You're gonna need a ratchet that in a 6-inch extension with a T50 to take off these screws, super long ones. I don't know if you guys can see that. These go right here, right there, and also on each side there's a screw that goes there. I'm pretty sure it's an 8 or a 10, as well on the other side. I'm pretty sure that's it. There's a screw on each side of the fender well. I'm pretty sure it's an 8 or 10, not sure which one it is, but it's somewhere right there. And also I'm pretty sure this one, I don't remember honestly. I took it off last week and I've been riding around with no bumper, and I finally got the chance to install it. But yeah, when you remove the bumper, you'll notice that the brackets are different. The brackets that came with this, the non-sport 325i, are different. They're like super long. They go across the whole rear. You're gonna need different brackets. I'll leave the part number on the link below so you guys can buy it. I bought them off of FCP Euro. But yeah, you're gonna need those too. Now to install it, once you have the brackets installed, it's super simple. It's just they are literally attached by the same screw you took off on the fender well. That's how you put those on each side. You're gonna want to take this middle trim piece off of the actual diffuser to reach the long screws right there. So you're gonna need to take off that middle trim piece off to actually reach the hole and make the screw go straight. You don't have to do this, but my bumper, the black trim was super faded and ugly and all scratched up. So I decided to take it off, and I'm probably gonna buy new trim pieces because I was gonna install the ones on my old bumper, but they're actually different. I didn't think they were gonna be different, but yeah, they don't fit on this bumper. So if you're gonna do the same thing, you're gonna have to buy new ones. Yeah, just that's a little thing that I noticed. After that, you're basically set. All you gotta do is screw in a screw right there, the long screw on each side, and the other screw on the other side. 4 screws in total. And then after you screw those in, you put the black trim piece on, and you're set. I'm pretty sure. Right now, none of the screws are actually screwed in, so I'm about to do that, and I'll catch you guys once I do that. Okay, so the bumper is fully in. The trim piece is back on. The trim piece is literally so easy to put back on. It just clips in. It's like little clips on the inside all around the trim piece. But the only thing that I still can't figure out and need some help on is this right here. As you can see, it's a little bit saggy, and there's a huge crack. I saw that on the actual bumper at the very bottom. There's a screw that goes in there. I don't know if you can see the screw in there. That screw was on the last bumper. That's the wrong screw. That screw does not go there. I just left it there for now. If I take it off, the whole bumper starts sagging. So I gotta find a screw that goes in there and actually tightens it, because it doesn't tight at all. Same on the other side. But other than that, the bumper is fully on. Earlier I forgot to mention that these little trim pieces, I really don't know what these are, but these are gonna get in the way of the bumper installation. So you gotta take these off. These right here, these little triangle things, I'm pretty sure they're water guides, but I really don't, rain guides, whatever you call them, but I'm not sure. They're on either side and they go right behind the fender well on the other side. It's 3 screws. I'm pretty sure they're 8 or 10. It could be 10 too, but I don't remember. It's either or though. Not really hard to get to take off, but yeah, they're gonna get in the way of the installation, so you gotta take those off too. And yeah, that's really it. So yeah, that's how the bumper looks like. Just gotta buy the trim pieces and put them back on. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this installation. It looks so good in my opinion. I kind of like this better than the Mtech 2 rear bumper, but that's just me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and stick around for the next video.